Greetings from Asktenali, and we'll be looking at greeting and meeting etiquette. Sam is working as an executive, and he's working in a multinational company. And day in and day out, he has to meet people within the organization and outside the organization also. Now, Sam wants to know how to meet and greet, whether it is in meetings or in day-to-day life. So let us see. What you should do is, once you spot a person, in case you're sitting, you have to stand up. If you're standing, no issues. But in case you're seated at some place, you see a person, you have to meet and greet. Immediately, you stand up on your feet. And then what you do? Step or lean forward. You can take one step, lean towards that person a bit. Eye contact. And eye contact is very important. You have to look into the eyes of the other person. Now, word to look. Eye contact doesn't mean that you give him, from top to bottom, sort of scanning look. It has to be from the eyes to the bottom of the nose or above the lips. This is the area you can see. And you can also look into the eyes. Make an eye contact. And be pleasant, graceful. Put on a smile if possible. Shake hands. And shaking hands is very important. You extend your arm. Gently press the palm of the other person. Shake 3 times. That is what is the ideal handshake. And don't show all your strengths, and just because you're attending some gym or something, you're going for some physical body build up, crush the other person's hands. You're not supposed to do that. Hold it gently, softly. Give 3. It can be firm with a male. If it's a female, you have to be gently extending your hand. And greet the other person. Say hi, hello, good morning, whatever it is. And if possible, if you have come to know about his name, repeat his name. Mr. John, Mr. Sam, is it? So what happens is, it's a wonderful way of meeting a person, greeting a person. If you follow these simple tips, wherever you are, you make an excellent professional move. And the other person will also be happy to meet and greet you. We at Asktenali conduct number of seminars. For other details, you can visit our website www.asktenali.com. Thank you.